Hello, I'm Ben Coombes, EVCP Installation Director for SyncEV, now part of the Lasico Group. And welcome to our installation training video of SyncEV's new product range, the socketed and the tethered charge points. In this video, we'll provide you with an introduction into the SyncEV product range and teach you some top-level features and benefits, as well as provide a guide to the installation and commissioning procedures. SyncEV is one of the fastest growing manufacturers and suppliers of electric vehicle charge points in the UK. Now part of the Lasico Group, which includes British General, in the industry better known as BG. SyncEV and BG have joined forces to design and manufacture two fantastic new products. The EVS-7G-1, which is a Type 2 socketed charger with auto lock. The EVT-77G-1 is a Type 2 tethered charge point with 7.5 metre charging cable as standard. This allows the owner to park the electric vehicle with the flexibility needed. Both of these products are 7.4 kilowatt smart EV chargers. Check out our data sheets available on our website www.syncev.co.uk for information on the product's certification, standards and approvals. Our new products have been designed to be robust, discreet and efficient. The enclosures are waterproof to IP55, protected against UV rays and IK10 against potential damage. This allowing the chargers to be installed in commercial and domestic environments. Both products come with RJ45 Ethernet and Wi-Fi connection capabilities as standard. 4G GSM connection and RFID functionality models are available. Again, check out our website for more information. Let's talk about the inbuilt safety features. Both products have an internal Type A RCD and 6 mA DC leakage protection. Also the all-important PEN fault protection. This negating the need to install an earth rod, keeping the costs down for the installer. The chargers also have the ability to temporarily or permanently restrict the charging output if needed. The installer can set this restriction permanently whilst commissioning between 32 and 6 amps. The end user can restrict the charge rate temporarily through the smart app from 6 amps to 32 amps or the limit set by the installer. We designed the chargers to have both dynamic and static load management. The static load management done through our market-leading software. Therefore, we believe we negate most issues of supply protection overload in domestic and commercial environments. I'll go through the dynamic load management later. All our products are supported by the SyncEV Smart app. This allows integrations with popular smart cost-saving tariffs and manual scheduled charging. All our products come with a 1-year parts warranty. This can be extended to a 3-year warranty once installed and registered on the website. In the box you will find the charger, charger trim, identification sticker, fixing template and accessory pack. In the accessory pack you will find 25mm compression gland and lock ring, 3-pole power input connector, 25mm blind grommet, cable grip and screws, 3 charger enclosure screws, 5 internal fixing screw caps. For the purpose of this video, we'll be demonstrating the installation on a socketed charge point. Loosen the 2 enclosure screws with a 4mm Allen key. Remove the front cover. On a tethered charge point, please disconnect the coloured connectors to release the front cover. Please make sure to reconnect these once the installation process is complete. With the front cover removed, you can now see the pre-drilled 25mm supply cable hole, the stand for the cable grip, the embedded spirit level, the fixing position and clamp to the incoming power connector. A 25mm drill out point when supplying the charger from the rear. Please ensure to use the supplied 25mm grommet when using this form of entry. and the 4 fixing points for mounting the enclosure to the wall. Install the compression gland and lock ring, then tighten. Use the fixing template to mark the holes for drilling. Secure the enclosure to the mounting surface using appropriate screws and fixings. Insert the supply cable, then install the cable grip. Install the incoming power connector. If you're not installing dynamic load management, please continue to the next step. If you are installing dynamic load management, terminate the 2 cables into the connection terminals. Mount incoming and outgoing power connectors into the enclosure. Reattach the front cover using the 4mm hex screws. Please don't fit the trim until the device has been fully tested and commissioned. Download the BG EV Installer app, available on iOS and Android. Select the charger ID for the device you want to commission. The charger ID can be found on the identification stickers. These can be found on the front of the installation manual, inside the charger's enclosure, and one comes inside the box. Next, please enter the password, which is 12345678. This is also available in the installation manual. Then press OK. You are then prompted to change the charger's password. This is recommended. Please ask the charge point owner for a password. It's extremely important this password is recorded and kept safe for future access to the settings. Next, select the Wi-Fi SSID drop-down menu and select the Wi-Fi you would like to connect to. Please be aware if the charger only connects to a 2.4 GHz band signal. If the Wi-Fi SSID you want to connect to is not shown, then this can be entered manually. Once the previous step has been completed, then in the server URL, select Secure. The charger's output can be set in the Output Current box. Please set the charge mode to App. In the Home Power Current box, please input the rating of the property's main supply fuse. Now press Set. The charger will now reset and make an audio beep to indicate the settings have been saved. In a short time the charger light should turn blue. If not, please repeat the process and refer to the installation guide. If you found this content helpful, then please check out the SyncEV website and our installer portal. The link is in the description below. To stay up to date with our product ranges and latest innovations, please subscribe. Until then, thank you and goodbye.